ShuangOu Tiles is a professional company including tiles and mosaic tiles production, design and sales. With 50 years development, ShuangOu Tiles has grown from a small family workshop into a tile company group. Nowadays, ShuangOu is not only a Chinese tile factory, but aiming to be the tile factory of the world. ShuangOu Tiles is one of the largest production bases of pool tiles and mosaic tiles in China. Our factories cover an area of more than 300,000 square meters and owns 10 manufacturing lines producing a variety of tiles in different sizes and shapes. As a large-scale Chinese tile manufacturer, we do porcelain tiles OEM and ODM for companies all over the world. Our 35,000 square meter warehouse keeps numerous regular items in stock. We also do project-based customization of porcelain tiles and mosaic tiles. Thanks to our people's professional and hard work, ShuangOu never fails to give all of our customers easy and satisfactory global order experience.